Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn background photo on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the social media section next to the whiteboards option. At the linked button, you can find it the LinkedIn background photo and just tap on it. If you want to add a photo from your projects, go to the uploads button and you can upload image, videos, audios to the Canva, or the gallery section. You can select pictures or videos from your device, from your gallery. In the elements button, you can search different graphic elements, stickers, photos, videos, charts, frames, and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can edit the selected template. If you want to change the background color, just tap to the square icon next to the design button and select another color. If you want to change the picture, go to the uploads or the gallery button and select the pictures and drag it the frame, and the picture is changed. If you want to if you want to write another text, just tap to the text and writing. And done. You can edit the font style and the font size of the text. If tap to the arrow next to the Calistoga button, you can find the different font style, and if you want to the plus or the minus icon, you can edit the size of the text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.